But our demand is that in these challenging times where economy is showing slowdown and livelihoods are under threat and under economic strain, the government should take over all the educational expenses, every educational expense of the students, all the educational needs, should bear the travel expenses of the students. They have got this Balrath and things like that. It's good. But it has to take over the expenses of the students of traveling completely, of each and every student. It is a view of the people which we are reflecting through this memorandum, which has been elicited by us, that these timings are causing hardships to the students, and you therefore look into it and revert it back to the original timing, because the timings as are existing today, they are disturbing the habits, eating habits, lunch habits of the children. It is going up to 2 o'clock and things like that. By the time they reach home, it is late. Parents are finding it difficult, teachers are finding it, everybody is finding it difficult.
कॉलेजिंग खातीर एंटी नार्कोटिक सेल आनी ड्रग्सा विशीं कावन्सिलींग जाय म्हूण NSUI मागता.
We all know that all the youth in colleges and all are already doing drugs. The thing is that this is a known fact, but it is ignored. So we want the colleges to have an anti-narcotic cell. Okay, then there is no drug test available that will prove that you have any drug in your body in Goa. So we want that to be available. Okay, we want people to find out from where the drug is coming. We want to counsel the students who are getting into this. It is peer pressure that students are getting into it.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.